Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today we are talking about getting information, asking and clarifying, especially in an interview in a job. Okay. So the first we have the goals for this material today. We have four goals. The first is ask for information effectively. The second, clarify unclear information politely. The third, practice job interview conversations. And the last, summarize interview answer accurately. The next will be presented by Martin.
For the next is what is getting information? Getting information means asking a person to obtain fact explanation and for opinion for another person. In job interview, ask person to learn more about the background, about the candidate background, and for the example, tell me about your leadership experience, and I lead team project in university. So this interview may need for information. So they follow up question. So this process called getting information.
Okay, so next we have the expression banks. For the example sentence, will be start from Yogi. Yes.
Could you tell me more about your role?
Next.
Can you explain your experience in detail?
Next.
What exactly do you mean by leadership?
Next.
Could you give an example of your skills?
Do you mean that you can lead the whole team? That like your plan work. So what you're saying is you like five people. Could you clarify that point about your role? Just to make sure I understand your clients. Can you explain your experience in detail? What exactly do you mean by leadership? Could you give me an example of your skills? Do you mean that you manage the whole team? So what you are saying is you like five people?
Next.
Could you clarify the point about your role?
Next.
Just to make sure I understand, you handle clients.
Could you tell me more about your role?
Can you explain your experience in detail?
Okay, guys. So the number one and until number four, they are asking for the details. But after that, that's the clarifying info when you in the situation in the job interviews. For the next, we have the mini dialogue. For the first, the interview this side and the applicants in this side. Start from now.
I did a team project at school. Could you tell me more about your role? I coordinate tasks and manage deadlines.
Okay, now we this is for the applicant and this is for the interviewer. Start from now.
Tell me about your leadership experience.
I led a team project at school.
Could you tell me more about your role?
Speak loudly, guys.
Coordinated tasks and manage deadlines.
Okay, next is the new mini dialogue. The first interviewer and the applicant. Start from now.
You mentioned customer service experience.
Yes, I work in a small shop.
Just to make sure I understand, did you interact directly
let's switch. This is for the applicant and the interviewer. This is for applicant. Start from now.
You mentioned customer service experience.
Yes, I work in a small shop.
Just to make sure I understand, did you interact directly with customers?
Yes, every day.
Okay, next is the interview session. Let's stand up, guys. Okay, so this is group 1 for the station 1. This is group 2 for the station 2. And this is the station 3. Okay. 5 minutes you can talk to your friends about the station that you get it. Start from now.
5
Bye, my friend. Bye.
So now we are going to role play. So we choose three pairs to be all.
Three volunteers.
So it's
Six people. Who wants to be a volunteer? Guys? Who wants to be volunteer? We have the three role play. Okay, Diana and Ami, come. Next. Who's one? Yogi and Ega, come here. Okay, next, we have the woman here and the man here. We must have the man and the woman. Who's the one? Okay, I'll just yes. You one.
Yasnya, itu sama Nara.
Okay, role play A, role play B.
Don't forget to use your skills. Dengan
Okay guys, so the role play will be start right now.
What do you study to do? I research online learning. Could you tell me more about that? Online learning helps students study from anywhere. Could you give an example for this one? For example, a student can join Zoom class. How about the main idea of it's more flexible and saves time? Oh, like that. Thank you, Ami.
Give applause guys.
Longsoran.
Okay. Next, the role play B, Yogi and Ega.
In your city, you say
Guys, please pay attention.
past achievement. What is it?
In the past, I went UB writing contest.
What do you mean by newbie speak writing song?
Yeah, just like the name, I register my script in the event, and turns out I become the third winner.
Just to make sure I understand, you become the third winner. So not the first one. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, give applause. Yes. Okay, next role play C will be presented by Nara and Yasmin.
Okay, so Yasmin, I have a question for you. So what is your career?
So, I want to be an English teacher, and actually, I would like to improve my teaching skills. And in the future, I would like to take master degree and to be a lecturer.
Okay, so what you want to say is you want to be a teacher and later become a lecturer. Okay, so let me check that. So you want to focus your career on education aspect.
Yes, as
Okay guys, give applause.
Thank you.
Okay, I think it's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention and thank you so much.